A lot of the comments that I get from this video, my Korean ingredients guide, is that so many of you wish that you had Korean grocery stores like mine near you. Well, today I might have a solution for you. I'm doing an unboxing from Seoul Mills. It's a company that sells Korean ingredients online, and I can't wait to see what they sent me. This video is not sponsored, but they did send me these items for free, so I just wanted to do this for fun and show you what I got. I thought that would be a cool idea. So if you want to see what I got and see what Seoul Mills offers, then keep on watching. What's up, universe? It's Julie, your kitchen coach, and welcome back to our channel. And in case you're new here, I'm a trained chef who's passionate about helping beginner cooks gain confidence in the kitchen. And that's kind of why I did videos like this one about my Korean ingredients guide, because a lot of you guys said that you'd walk into a Korean grocery store or an Asian market and not know where to start, that it was so intimidating. And then I started getting this slew of comments of, I wish I could get those ingredients near me, but I don't have grocery stores like that. So I was so intrigued when Seoul Mills reached out to me and asked me if they could send me some of their goodies. I thought they were gonna send me like 1 or 2 items, and they sent me this big shebang. So we're just gonna open it on camera for the first time. I really don't know what they sent me. I'm just gonna do a candid review and unboxing for you. Sound fun? Give it a like. Even though this video is not sponsored and I'm not using affiliate links, Seoul Mills did give me a coupon code to give out to you. If you use Yoon SM, you can get 15% off of a one-time purchase. And this is only for our viewers. Again, this is really just for you, for if you want to check it out and you want to get a one-time coupon. Okay. You guys, this is like taking it back old schools. We got some dried fish. This dried fish is used in different applications. It's usually made in banchan or side dishes that you marinate, and it's kind of like spicy. There's some recommendations in the back of this package. Most popularly, it's used for soup. You would use it for some sort of dried fish soup. For me personally, I'm really not into this flavor as much. This is kind of like what mature Koreans eat. And I don't know, I think I'll give it to my in-laws, but if you wanted authentic Korean cooking, you know that you can get it here. Let me mention just a little bit about seoulmills.com. And again, I'm not associated with them. I don't work for them and I'm not representative. So if you have any questions, please contact them directly. I'll leave their information down below. Seoulmills.com is new, but the company behind it is not. It was formed in 2005 and they had good relationships with artisans and they have good quality products that they really vet before they put on their website. They're either well-known or local artisan brands. I believe that right now, Seoul Mills only offers shipping to the US. And if I'm wrong, Seoul Mills, leave it down in the comments. This is so cute. They actually sent this to me before I even told them and let them know that I was gonna do a video for them. They said they were just gonna send me this box of stuff with no strings attached, and I didn't even have to show it or feature it anywhere. They sent me a little card, said, "Hi Julie, thank you so much for getting back to us, allowing us to send some products. Your cooking videos are always a joy to watch. Hope you enjoy all the food." Aww. Okay, let's see what we have here. What is this? I have never seen this before. This is Burdock. It says, this chip was made with aging natural vegetables and seafood with deep seawater. I guess this is a good way for you to experiment and try out new snacks and chips. Oh my gosh, it's a legit like red hot chili pepper that's dried and deep fried. I guess you just eat it like a chip. Ooh, ooh. It's like sweet at first. It's like one of those deceptive kind of snacks. It's like sweet at first and super crunchy, and then the heat kicks in last. I feel like I have to let Joe try one too. Oh, it's making me sneeze. Making me sneeze, but oh wow, they sent me 2 bags. This is cool. This is actually kind of tasty. It's kind of growing on me. It is a little spicy, so nothing for Lincoln, but that is interesting. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Oh, got some kim, some dried seaweed. Oh man, this is good because Lincoln is a kim monster. He always eats rice and kim. If it is the kind that's used to make kimbap, because it shows it right here, then I have a couple of kimbap recipes that you can use this for. I have my regular beef kimbap, my California style kimbap on the blog, which we'll leave down below all the links. And I also have my tuna kimbap. So you can tell that I love kimbap. So if you guys want to try out that recipe, then you know you can order it from here. Okay, what is this? I am like so intrigued by all of these things, like dried clam. Dried clam? So, I mean, if you guys are like, Julie, you know nothing, like you're just like opening it up and you're so confused. I am. I think they purposely sent me like the most confusing things because I've never seen this stuff or I don't really know. I'm assuming it's something that you cook with, but I don't think I've ever cooked with dried clam before. Oh my gosh, it's like, so it's individual packages, 3 individual packages. I really do not know, so I'll have to do some research on here. And like Seoul Mills, if you're watching, or Jane from Seoul Mills, who I'm communicating with, leave it in the comments below what I'm supposed to do with this, but I will also look at it on your website and just look it up in general. I'm gonna have to ask my friend, Korean Pop Song. She's also on YouTube, so I'll have to ask her. All right, I'm not gonna open it because I'm assuming it's something that you cook with and I'm not gonna cook with it right now. What is, ooh, look how cute these guys are. This is tteokbokki flavored almonds. Tteokbokki flavored almonds. I have never seen this before, have you? Like, this is cool. That's why I was like, what are these cute little guys cooking up a storm? These almonds cooking up tteokbokki. So, you know, tteokbokki is like that spicy rice cake that's very popular. It's like street food in Korea. This is tteokbokki flavor almond covered with a sweet and spicy seasoning, which is true to what tteokbokki tastes like. I mean, this is unique. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. It smells good. Oh my gosh, but it burned my nose hairs. Oh, I gotta sneeze. PSA, do not open it and take a big whiff like I did. It was like sniffing in a chili pepper up my nose. Mmm. Oh my gosh, these are really good. Wow. This is one of those addictive flavors. You know, like once you start, you can't stop. Like you can't have one bite. Like I already had 3 almonds and it's so good. It definitely has like that sweet flavor first, but then it has this like deep savory, almost umami flavor. So it's like a perfect balance. I mean, it scared me when I sniffed it in because it was like so spicy smelling, but it's not spicy like that at all. Like seriously, it's one of those things that Joe needs to try right now. Mmm. I wish they sent me 2 bags of this. Oh my gosh, Seoul Mills, next time send me more. What do you think?
It's good. It's really good.
Right?
Because my mouth was spicy from that other snack.
Oh really? Was that spicy from the other snack?
Oh, it's still lingering.
This has a lingering spice too. Actually, it's like a deep spice. So this kind of hits you later. But overall, it's just like this really delicious flavor snack. I mean, I'm afraid Joe's gonna eat it all without me knowing. I gotta hide it. What is this heavy thing? Oh, this looks like it's fragile. Whoa, what is this now? Like, I'm like, this is a pattern where I'm like, what is this? I literally have not seen half these things ever. This is something with ginger because it's like senggang and there's a picture of a ginger on here. It looks like some sort of like a ginger jelly or like it's a honey because it says gur. It says, oh, on the back, and good thing it says it in English. Oh goodness. I think they put their own label on top, which is so nice. If you did Seoul Mills, that's a really nice touch for people like us. So then there's a ginger and green onion root honey tea. So I guess you just mix it in with your water. And you know, and this is perfect because actually when you have like a deep, like throaty cough or you're sick, a lot of times Koreans will boil this kind of concoction. Like my mom always tells me to make ginger tea with honey and you boil it for a long time. And it's kind of like that. This is what this reminds me of. So I haven't tasted this, but I'm actually excited and this will be good for the winter time or if any of one of us is sick. But this is great and you can just store it at room temp. Awesome. Okay, it's this little guy. Ooh, Look at this cute little square seasoning bottle. Oh, this just says garlic powder. I'm really thankful that they have these little labels that I guess Seoul Mills put on to the back of it. Like, you could tell it's like their own label on top of the existing label because it's in English. And it says it's green onion. It's 50% green onion, and then 30% garlic, and then 17% spicy green pepper. That sounds delicious. So it's like a natural Korean tasty seasoning. I could see this would be good, just like sprinkle it over chicken or beef or fish. Oh my gosh, like, why do I keep smelling things first of all? But like, this is so fragrant. It's like a bouquet of vegetables. You can see all the little flecks of green. Mmm. Oh, that's tasty. And there's no salt in it. So it's just like kind of like a Mrs. Dash, like a Korean Mrs. Dash. Awesome. I'll definitely be trying this out. Isn't this kind of fun, unboxing these crazy things with me? Make sure you give it a like and also push subscribe and hit that bell for notifications if you enjoyed videos like this one. Oh, this looks like sesame oil. Is it? Yes. This looks like it's like bougie sesame oil. I don't know if it is or isn't. I actually don't know this brand, but yeah, I mean, I recognize the shape of this like sesame oil bottle, but I'm assuming this is going to be more like a finishing sesame oil, so it's really fragrant. I mean, I love sesame oil. It's in so many of my recipes, especially the Korean ones. So definitely some people are wondering how you get toasted sesame oil, and this is where you get it. Oh yeah, this looks like it is bougie because this small bottle is about 12 bucks. Yeesh. I'm gonna have to like conserve it. This one. Burdock Chips. What in the crazy chips are you sending me? So burdock root is like this little log looking thing you can see here. I don't quite know what it is, but Koreans are all about eating their roots. And like sometimes they're pickled, sometimes they're marinated, sometimes they're boiled or sauteed, but like it's covered, it's pretty much like that pepper one. That's what it looks like. And I think it's the same brand, or just, yeah, it's the same company. And it's coated in like a corn starch and like rice powder. Oh, and it has a little bit of sugar and salt. So I'm assuming that it's a little bit of that sweet and salty. I can't really tell the taste of this one. Again, I feel like my parents would really like it, something like this. It's kind of like a plain plantain chip in a way. It's like very hard in texture and crisp and doesn't have that much, unless because I had like all those other things like the nuts and stuff, but not very strong in flavor, but I'll still be munching away at these. They gave me two. All right, burdock chip. I'm getting to the bottom of this. Seriously, Seoul Mills, like, you said you were gonna send me like a couple items. Like, do you mind if we send you a couple items? Like, this is a lot. I'm glad I'm doing this video. It's so interesting. Why did you choose to send me this stuff? It's like very unique. Ooh, this is cool. I haven't ever used this before, nor did I know this, but I kind of already know what this is. This is called Tashima Khanjang. So Khanjang is soy sauce and Tashima is kelp. And that's the kind that I use. If you look at my Korean ingredients guide video, I talk about it. That's what I use to make stocks. It's like the basis of like my sundubu video. And anytime there's like a Korean soup, most likely you'll be using the Tashima. So since it's kelp, it's kind of like seaweed, but it's not quite seaweed, and it makes that like salty umami flavor in a stock that you need. So I'm assuming you add it to soups or even to marinades. I'll do a little bit more research on it, but I'm actually really excited about this. And I'm also excited to be introduced to some of these brands that I've never seen, because I'm very used to only like certain types of brands that I see in my Korean markets or like the bigger ones. So yeah, that is interesting. I really do like that this was like a combination of like both snacks that you could eat and things that I could use in my cooking. So hopefully I'll be able to use some of these things in my videos or in my everyday cooking. Last item. Save the best for last. So Korea was all about, okay, when we went to Korea, if you want to see any of our Korean vlogs, I'll leave a list of them down below too, because they're a good fun watch. When we went to Korea for the summer, we were there for a month, and that's where I got the inspiration to do a whole season of Korean cooking for our show, our cooking show Bits and Pieces, based off of that trip. And when I was there, honey butter was all the rage. Like, you could not find a honey butter chip to save your life. So I never even got to taste it when I was there. So this is honey butter almond. So I'm assuming they're gonna be just as good as those other almonds. And I like it. It's such a cute little packaging. Oh, I can smell it from here. It smells so good. I am gonna do the whiff test because I don't think it's spicy. Oh my gosh, it smells like fresh baked cookies almost. It's like buttery and delicious smelling. Oh my gosh, these are probably even better than the other ones. And I thought those were so good. Oh my gosh, this would be an excellent road trip snack. Comes with a decent amount in here too. Oh my gosh, seriously, Joey, I'm gonna try it.
Yummy.
Oh my gosh, it's an addictive taste. I'm so glad this was like the last one. Man, this is really good. I gotta put it away. I feel like Lincoln would really love this too, because it's not spicy and it's like sweet and savory. A good car snack. Well, thank you, Seoul Mills, once again for all this awesome stuff, like these cool snacks and sauces and things to make stocks and even tea. All these things I seriously was really surprised about. I thought I was going to be getting some of the basic staples, but you definitely knew who I was and that I would love to experiment with some of the more unique things. So I'm really glad I made this video. And if any of you are interested, I'll leave the links and the website down below, and you can use Yoon SM as a one-time use discount code for 15% off. And it's especially made for our viewers. If you liked any of these items down below, let me know what you thought was the most unique and how you would use it. Or if I wasn't sure how to use it, you can feel free to school me. Let me know what you would do with those items, because I'm always learning. If you enjoyed watching this video, remember to push like so that I know. Leave a comment down below if you are glad to have found something like this where you can purchase some Korean ingredients and maybe some other items that are popular in Korea. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you know when a new video like this one comes out next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!